Hey, do you want to see a former air raid shelter / tunnel that's approximately 200 metres long in Kent? Greenhive. Yeah, I thought you did.
Preview.
Hello everybody and welcome to an extremely risky video today. I'm not going to lie, but my god, the history is incredible. So I'm obviously not going to give the location away, but I will give where it is in terms of its relevance. So today we're at Greenhive Air Raid Shelter. That's right, Greenhive Air Raid Shelter. And it's a tunnel, it's a former disused tunnel which would have been part of the quarry works, which is behind me, if you can see. So yeah, and wow, what an incredible place. I think I'm the first person to record this because basically to get in would mean that it's a bit risky, if I'm being honest, and I don't encourage anybody to do it. But as I always say, this video is for historical documentation purposes only. Okay, so I don't want anybody sort of complaining. I'm literally documenting this because of the history and because nobody else has documented it. Wow, look at it. Let's go. You can see nobody's been around here for a very long time. And here we are. Oh, it feels good. It feels good. Yeah, okay. That's pretty cool. Right. Bit of a toy car there. Come on, focus. There we go. What else we got? Oh look, a toy car. Oh my god, that's really old. Look at that. Oh, it's a remote control one. Must be. Look. I lost my torch coming down here, so I'll have to get it on the way back, but there you go. Oh yes, this is a good find. Very good find. Okay. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. I mean, it's huge. So much like in any World War II scenario, you'd have disused tunnels potentially used as air raid shelters. This was definitely used for one in World War II. There is a bit of graffiti, so people have come down here. 2011, that says. But I'm going to take a guess and say nobody's actually documented it. And here we are at the other side. Overgrown. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, come on. Seriously, so cool. I can't go any further. But this would have been the trackway. I'm assuming, well, it would have been coming through, and then under and then in. There's the brickwork to support the arch. Look at that. To think nobody's documented this one. I mean, literally nobody has documented this. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Oh, I've even got my name on the graffiti. Yes. Oh, that wind. Let's try and stand out of it. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. It's still got where the lighting fixture would have been. The groove. That's a bloody big spider web. Because you're not taller. Oh, this is good. This is so freaking cool. So yeah, as I said before, I'm not going to give the location away. All you need to know is it's in Green Hive. It was a tunnel which is a former air raid shelter. I'm the first person to document it. So yeah, probably make a few notes after I've done this video. But all that beautiful brickwork. Oh, it's lovely. Do I even need this one on? I don't think so. Just got to turn off my torch on my camera because I managed to get a high powered, well, I've got it's my normal torch really that I use on my phone. I didn't want to bring anything big today because, to be fair, I wasn't sure I'd be able to get in. Oh, and for the purposes of anybody watching this, I didn't break in. There was no forced entry whatsoever. It was just a bit of a tricky one to get in. However, there are strict rules to not come here because, unfortunately, of where it's situated, it's highly dangerous. And yeah, so for me, I know the precautions. Like I said, I've been doing this since I was an early teenager. I know the risks. And yeah, like I said, didn't break into this. The most important thing is, if I didn't do this to document history, I'd rather do it now because I'm assuming this is going to be here for a very, very long time, just because of where it's situated. But what I wouldn't imagine is that people are going to document it video wise like I'm doing. So hopefully you can all give me a bit of leeway on this one and sort of say, oh my God, you know, so stupid what you did. But I'm just sort of saying to people, like, you know, this is for history, as you know by my channel by now. Come on, please. Well, come on, let's go back in. Eerie. I mean, it's in really good condition. I mean, there's a bit of litter near the entrance. There's a bit of graffiti at the other side. But interestingly enough, there's no graffiti on the other side of the tunnel. It's very weird why. Like, it's very clean in here, and I was expecting it, to be fair. I was expecting it to be clean because I just knew that nobody had probably even knew what this was formerly. You think it's a tunnel, which it obviously is, it's a tunnel, but to know that it was potentially for the protection of people from Green Hive, incredible, isn't it, really? It's a good day today. You can see where the plaster's come off. Come off. Oh crap. there's a barrel there. See where the plaster's come off, and then you see the brickwork underneath. I don't know what that looks like. Is it? No, it can't be. I was going to say, it's a huge bit of stonework. There's the other bit. I didn't even notice that. Look, so you can see that one bit of stonework, second bit absolutely identical. That is stone, isn't it? I don't feel like it's concrete. Oh my god, yeah. There's another bit. I'm not even seeing this. See if I can get underneath this time. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. So well preserved. You can see the. See where it's lined up. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Whatever. Right, thanks as always for watching on the immortal words of Phoenix history, because history matters, and I will see y'all very soon. Take care for now, and I really hope you enjoyed this one, because oh my god, what an amazing find. Yeah, I'm going to be grinning from ear to ear for a long time on this one. But yeah, there you go. Green Hive air raid shelter / tunnel. Oh my god, it's incredible. Right, see ya.
Move on now, saying why.